What is the capital of England? A. Bristol, B. Manchester, C. Birmingham, D. London.
No. You might want to fix that.
Rihanna's real last name is Fenty. What is her real first name? A. Reese, B. Robin, C. Rena, D. Ray.
Oh, we got it right.
Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, Justin Timberlake, and Fergie all started in which TV show? A. TRL, B. Star Search, C. America's Got Talent, D. The Mickey Mouse Club. What is the capital of Switzerland? A. Bern, B. Zurich, C. Geneva, D. Lausanne.
Oh, stupid.